Good morning. Welcome, welcome. Good morning, everybody. Best DJ in town. Hello. Good morning. Trick Biscuit. Hello. Welcome, welcome. All right. What's going on? Let's start the show. Green, hello, good morning. All right. At least today, we're not at the brink of the 5% limit, right? So, but yesterday, oh my God, look at this price action. I mean, during the New York AM session, look at this. Whew. I mean, this was crazy. 1,600 points move. Absolute mental. That was pretty wild. Pretty much wild. All right. Let's see some levels. Previous day high and low. Well, definitely far from each other, so that's gonna make a bit of a interesting scenario. Okay. Disciplined trader, hello, good morning. Let's check out the Asia highs and lows. I think this could be an Asia high here, right? Let's put that here. Okay, 885. Okay, and as for Asia low, I would go with this. 662. That's fine. Smash that like button. It's not a class. It's not a class, but you know, we were very close to Asia low here. Actually, it was very close. I think it could be a hedge fund that was really in the red that spread the false news about tariffs being delayed. Oh, so that's the new rumor. Tamimi, good morning. Hello, Tamimi. Oh, I see. Interesting. I know what you don't. Good afternoon. Hello. Well, I mean, it could be possible. Naomi, hello there. Good to see you, Naomi. All right. So we have these highs and lows, and let's look for some order blocks. Maybe. We have a unbalanced price range at the market close. Yeah, I mean, technically new day opening gap. Let's check it here. New day opening gap. It's also here. Right here. 664 on the mini. All right. We're going to put it there. It's 664 on the mini and 650 on the micro. Oops. That's a new day opening gap. And also here. New day opening gap. Now that puts the whole situation in the favor of the downside a little bit more. To have this price range rebalanced with the down close candle. Kind of interesting, to be honest. Whoa! What is happening? Hey, best DJ in town. Thank you. Thank you for the super chat.
Just a small thank you for being here with us every night.
Well, it's my pleasure. It's I told you guys, I'm trying to be here every day, every night, every morning. Maybe I'm gonna do a 24-hour stream. No, I'm not gonna do that. That would be destroying brain cells, I think. We jumped 1,000 points yesterday. Could be. Raphael, hello. Yeah, it was absolutely crazy. Crazy move. 1,000 points. Yeah. I think we're going for Asia low, then rally to 18K. Yeah. Yeah, that would make sense. Karsten, hello. Yesterday was overall green, and I passed to Take Profit Trader test accounts or evals. So I'm happy about that. Actually, I can show you guys here. Here's the new Take Profit Trader evals. Yesterday I've passed them. So it was like, not saying easy, but and the MyFundedFutures network accounts. This one is up at almost 2,300. I tried to scalp a little bit later, but then I said, oh no. And this one is getting closer to funded 2,700 now in profit. Otherwise, and I got approved. I got approved for a payout on Apex. Not much money, $1,100, but I got approved for a payout already, which is awesome. And it was fast because I submitted on the weekend, and yesterday I got approved. So that was good. That was okay. Thank you so much again for the super chat. Farhad, good morning. Natasha is here. Beautiful morning to you too. Piñon Mendez, hello. Oh, yeah, Natasha, I mean, if you got the right moves, I think you were smashing the market, right? And actually, the movements were so fast. They're pretty much slow, Krunal, and most likely the best chance to reach out for them is around New York business hours. Last time, their CEO said that they're working on expansion of the staff members or support, but yeah, usually in the chat, if you wait, you are able to chat with them on the website in New York business hours, most likely. Ollie, good morning. Peter, hey, good to see you. crazy from yesterday? Oh yeah, yesterday was yesterday was indeed a huge headache. Excuse me. So, absolutely crazy moves. Crazy moves. Now let's see. We do have the Asia low down there. I kind of like it, especially now that we swept some liquidity here. If I would see a displacement, I might even jump into a short. We have some nice distance, like 100 points to go down there. We have the new day opening gap. So why not? $20K over 4 take profit trader accounts. Nice, Natasha. Let's go. Paul, good morning. 20K. Wow. That's the way to do it. After press the eval on MyFundedFutures, you go into another phase called exhibition. Before getting yes, there's going to be the exhibition phase. Basically, you do the same thing, like for example at Bulenox, for example. So on the exhibition phase, you have to build up your buffer, right? You have to, you know, basically that's phase 2. And when you pass that, then you get the funded account. But when you make profit on that, that's basically yours. I mean, you can withdraw it. But the numbers at the end are basically the same. My bias for the day, it's go down, and then for take 18K. Yeah, that's what we're looking for as well. We might see a new day opening gap rebalance. Yeah, spread. I just saw that. Like the spread is like, I wouldn't say the best for sure. The spread is a bit crazy. It's definitely a little bit crazy. The spread. Okay, we have a small movement here. No, let's see. Okay. This could be a structure shift, but let's just wait. Technically, it still is. It depends if we're going to leave a gap or not. Are we going to continue lower? Yeah, no gap. No gap here. Last chance to go short was with this small... Well, there was a small gap up there. If you want to go aggressive, you can still do. What news tomorrow might be low? Yeah, let's see what happens. I took a short on a evaluation account at MyFundedFutures network account, so only with 1 micro, targeting the Asia low. Too tired. Yeah, Natasha, you should be sleeping. All right, have a good one. Have a good one. Thanks for dropping in. That's how you do it. Make 20K, have a good sleep. That's how it works. Yeah, stick to micros, or at least size down to some micros, and that's how you do it. 1.3K. Let's go with one micro. Prudvi, hello. Camille is here. I am your father. Oh wait, that's a movie. All right. Top 1 futures. I just heard the name, Jung, but I haven't looked into their website. I heard them. I think they're brand new, right? But that's all I know. We have so many prop firms now, and I thought that it's just crazy, but it really happens. Like, there are new prop firms almost every single week in the market, but I'm just gonna stick to try to stick to the ones that are in business since a few years. Obviously, I do trade with DAYTRADERS. I have a funded account with them, and they are fairly new, but I'll pick on my 50K. I have 1K left drawdown. Oh, well, 1K is like, that's not a, I mean, you can still go with that with 1K. That's absolutely doable, in my opinion. That is absolutely doable. All right, we're still hovering in this area. Let's see. Oh, looks like the short is playing out now. Dom is here. Hello, and Marco, welcome. Yeah, it seems like I'm still good on this short. The entry is terrible. By the time I realized that I should have entered, the original entry that I wanted should have been in this region up there, but I missed it. Anyway, targeting Asia low here. I'm also thinking if I should add hold on. No, I'm not gonna. Yeah, I'm not gonna add anything into this. It's just I messed up my entry, so I'm just gonna wait. Gold is edging higher though, so that's really something. You took the short? All right. Scalped it. That's good. Demand $400. Absolutely good, Ollie. Yeah. $400 on a especially on a funded account or your personal account is a very good money. Even for a day. I mean, even for many places, even for a week. Oh no, it's going back. Gold is still edging higher. Look at this. Gold is going higher. I had no entry on gold and I have no idea where it's going because there's no fair value gap in this area. Nothing that can be done. Maybe an order block. Yeah. We are in an order block right now on the 5-minute. But that's it. Yeah. Back to NQ. Bum, 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 bum. Oh. The 50-minute looks kind of weird. We have like equal lows technically. Well, not beautiful equal lows with the Asia low, but we do have a new day opening gap, and I do like that. I have a big issue with Top Step. I regained my 3 XFA account last Saturday before they closed last Wednesday, but I have to pay again. You have to pay active. That has to be a technical glitch. I think you definitely have to talk to support. It could be a technical issue. I don't know why they're asking for that. Let's go, Pinion. I don't know if this one's gonna go down. It might continue to squeeze higher. You know, we have some levels up there, so be careful. That's what I was afraid of. But we're going lower. I mean, sorry, higher. Greg, hello. Oh, I forgot to add you on Discord. I did not log into Discord yesterday. I think I could be having quite a few messages. Oh, I do. Okay. They paid the activation with 3 installments last Tuesday and weekend accountants, but they're yelling me to pay the rebuild. That's crazy. You should definitely ask them why. That's I don't know why they're asking it. All right, Greg. Yeah. I mean, yeah, could be a good idea. Yeah, I have some images. Gonna send it. I have quite a few messages on Discord. Definitely. I have to look over some images and I'm going to send you the email a bit later or something with the Discord. And yeah, I have to record some stuff. I mean, I already have some raw material, so I have to upload the Funded Futures Network video soon. And also a Take Profit Trader video. And also I made a video, but it's only in half, so I might have to restart it. I'm making a video of I guess you guys already know about my 5 top prop firms that I like and I use them. And I'm gonna talk about which are the pros and cons that I like, or the least that I like in all of these prop firms. And yeah, I'm gonna put that too. I mean, it's gonna be something like my top 5 favorite prop firms or something. And obviously, you guys already know which they are, so these are the ones that I'm already trading and got payouts from. And obviously, I'm gonna talk about Top Step 2 a little bit, but yeah. I don't know how much time does it take for Take Profit Trader to send me the activation or to activate. So these accounts are technically or should be automatically activated, but I still don't have any email from them. Oh, I have to look into some images now. I mean, I'm gonna do it later, but I'll do it, Greg. I'll send over some stuff. I don't really have good images about myself or you know. but I'll find something. Come on, trade. Why is this not working out? All right, what's up? The gold is still up there. NQ is hovering in this area. Hmm. 15-minute chart looks a little bit ugly here, but I guess we'll see. Because it's London, exactly. From OnlyFans, no, those images are, you know, those for private purposes. Oh yeah, no, everybody got used to those. Like a 1 minute candle was doing 80 points or 70 points, 50 points at least. Now we're back to 10 points, 5 points. So we might fall asleep here. Boombana, hello. Yeah, I'm in a sell, but my entry is very bad. I wanted to enter somewhere around the 50s, but instead I missed my entry and I entered at 37. But the target would be the same area down there at Asia low. That's what I wanted to target. But obviously, if we're going higher, well, anything can happen. I'm looking for some levels here. But there's no level that I like in particularly, so. The downside here is more attractive. Yeah, it's going up. So I'm just targeting Asia lows. Earlier today, trying to pass a Bulenox account I shorted and had orders shut above and got shorted out for $100 loss in 30 seconds. Oh yeah, like yeah, one spike 70 points. Oh man, yeah, it happens. That's haven't lost any accounts or heroes. Oh, definitely. Natasha, absolutely, absolutely. I agree. If we survive after this, all this, we're, yeah, winners and heroes. Oh yeah, Jay. Absolutely. You go back to bed. Adios. All right. Have a good sleep, Natasha, and see you next time. Well, it seems like we're just doing sideways movement here. It doesn't really want to drop. Oh wow. Spiking. Spiking. Oops, sorry. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's going up. It was too early to party. You're good. Come on now. All right, I'll do some good pictures myself. Let's see. What's it gonna do here? What's it gonna do? Nobody knows it. Gold is still going. No stopping at gold. Down in 5-minute tick MACD trending up. Oh yeah. So pretty much controversial signals everywhere. Maybe I should just close this position. I have a feeling that it still wants to take liquidity from the upside. Yeah, look at that. Still wants to go. I mean, that's fine. Let's see. Is this going higher? I think it will. I might close down this trade with a small loss. It's only eval. But all right, I closed it down. Maybe it's gonna spike higher. We don't know. Anything can happen to anyone. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Where's the VWAP? The VWAP. Oh, right here. Okay, it could be a reversal here. Could be a reversal. But it would have hit my stop loss right here at 68.50 or 75, so it would have been my original stop somewhere. Yeah, 780. I guess we have to wait a little bit more. Just a little bit more. There you go. It's going. Tudor, hello. Casual, hello, good morning. Yeah, we're going to that 97, it seems like it. Should be breaking that, right? Possible short. No, that's nothing. Alright. We technically broke it. It has been broken. I have short signals on gold, but that's not good. Those are not good signals. All right. I was just reading something. Krister, hello, good morning. No entry here. No entry. No order blocks. There is nothing. We have to wait for the market to open up here. Maybe on the 1 minute, the only thing there is this 1 minute bullish order block. $7.09. $7.09. Which was kind of holding price. We have actually two order blocks. One at 709 and one at 700. And the Asia low. So I kind of like this area. Looking for shorts. Jokur Trades. Hello, good morning. Welcome. Okay, we might see a structure shift. That would be awesome. Swept the highs. For longs on the 5-minute. Yeah, that's true. That is true. The only thing is that I see more liquidity on the downside with the new day opening gap, so I'll be preferring some shorts. But obviously, it's a good opportunity on the 5-minute if you see the big picture on higher time frame to go higher. So yeah. Why am I so freaking tired? Oh my god. And maybe I need to sleep for a whole day. So we have the shift here. All right. I might jump into a short position as a second chance. As soon as this candle closes, I'm going to put a limit order at 74.75. All right, limit order got triggered at 74.75. Looking to go down into this area. Let's see what it does. Look at my entry to the tick, almost. It just triggered it. Obviously, it can go higher, but yeah. What is this? Oh, NQ shorts are coming into play. My indicator is telling me. NQ shorts. All right. Who knows? Nobody knows. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Bowser, what up? Hey, welcome. How you doing, Bowser? And gold is now signaling a long position, but I don't care about that. Maybe I should. How far can gold go here? Should I take a long on this one? Feels like it wants to go, right? If I want to be super aggressive on gold. Yeah, I know. It's a long position. Yeah, Bowser from JStream, I guess he used to hang out there as well. And Greg is here, yeah. Why am I so freaking tired? All right, let's see. We have the London Open. Very close. One minute 30 seconds. That can actually change everything. Oh no. Oh no. Not good. This is not good. All right, 30 seconds until London. 20 seconds now. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here comes London, baby. Okay. All right. You have some moves here. Which funded futures network account is this? Oh, we were so close to pass this account. And it's not gonna happen. Darn it. I mean, I can't pass the account even if I would go to full TP with this one. Well, anyway. That could be a push higher. Maybe, but my stop is a little bit too tight here. Yeah, I was in this position just before London Open, but yeah, was a little bit riskier. And as they say in South Park, it's gone, you know, and it's gone. And it's gone. I had a small scalp earlier, so, but yeah. What is this? I'm gonna turn this off for you guys. All right. Yeah. Gold now signaling another long position. No. And it's should be gone now. And it's come on. Take it. Take it. Take that. Take it. Come on. Take it, man. All right. Don't do this. Just take it. And it's gone. All right. They're gone. I thought we are going to go down with this move. I really did. But instead, it seems like we're going higher. Where to? To the 810. Is there a gap? There is, right? There's a small gap on the micro. 812. I don't know. Anyway, we tried. Maybe reverse, yeah. I was hoping for reverse, but it's just not happening. Make us suffer a little bit, yeah. No problem. We have a very shorter block from Asia session here at 8:27. Not sure if that could be a target, but it does seem like it might want to go there. Otherwise, nothing. Nothing at all. Yeah, I wanted to do that. I wanted to find that scene from South Park, and it's gone. That's a hilarious scene, by the way. Now, what's happening now? Is it trying to shift finally? There's no structure here. And the 50-minute looks like a doji candle. We are at no man's land. Again. As I said, we also have that order block at 827. But if it wants to sweep some levels here, well, it can go, but I'm not sure. Gold signaling long position. But so far, there's nothing here. Looks a little bit bearish, but it's really hard to tell. How far can it go? As long as the 15 and the 5-minute is in this kind of doji situation, it's really hard to say. Can still go up to the 800s. I guess we have to wait and see. Yeah, hey Yokozuna, hello. YouTube Shorts, all right. Good morning, Alex. Hello there. Paul, all right. Let me check my email. Just a second. I was watching the charts. Oh yeah. Here it is. That's a classic. And it's gone. I love that. I love that the guy actually talks more aggressively in the end. And it's gone. uh, motivation in work is so bullish. This is open. Yeah. Which prop firm? Take Profit Trader is top of my list, and MyFundedFutures are my favorites. But I do like Apex and Bulenox too. I just got approved for another payout. Let me show you guys. Where is it? Super happy. And this was the fastest approval. Basically only took 1 business days. The good thing, I mean, I know it's just a small amount, but the same account, number 56, is the second payout, 26 trading days, and $1,096 approved. So it's still there. Approved, and I know it's not a lot. For me, it's very good money. $1,096. So Apex did pay me last time, and I got approved now as well. No problem with Apex as long as, you know, trading with proper risk management. Beanie Player, good to see you. Yeah, definitely, JP. It's good. It's a crazy week for sure. It's a real crazy week for sure. Oh, yeah, definitely. You did my text. You did your text. I never knew you can write. Oh, you can. Of course, I'm doing that too. I did my text as well, and obvious. And I am. Whenever I purchase evals or activation fees, you know, the prop firms are sending you a receipt. I'm downloading everything, printing it out as well, and everything. So we are definitely in here in my country. Definitely, I can deduct that as expense. So yeah, of course. Now, in order to request a payout from Apex, you must be above the threshold. And yes, exactly, you have to be above the threshold. And on the 50K account, you have to leave $2,100 on it. So the minimum payout is $500, which means the earliest level that you can request a payout is above $2,600. So you have to leave this way. You can take out the safety net, I think, after 60 trading days, I think, or 90, like not all of it, but 80% of the safety net. I don't know. I have to look into that, but something like that. Yo, 9K and went down. Oh, definitely. Oh, yeah. So I'm just saying this to any one of you who are doing tax about prop firm payouts, you know, that you definitely have to deduct the expenses that you paid for evaluations and the activation fees, right? So you have to. That's a must. Even for a 10K account has a different safety net, but I think the withdrawal minimum is still $500. I think, yes, Jason. So I don't know what's the safety net for 10K, but the minimum withdrawal on the website says it's $500. So that means anything above the safety net, I mean plus $500, sorry. So I don't know what's the minimum on the 10K account. I didn't even know. Is there a 10K account at Apex? Not that it's anything problem with the 10K account. I just maybe there's different rules for the 10K. 25K on Rhythmic. 25K. Bulenox, okay. Yeah, Bulenox. Bulenox is different. 10K is different. It's on the website. So here's Bulenox website. 10K accounts, the minimum withdrawal is 750. The withdrawal service threshold is 1100. So on the 10K account, it's 1100 plus 750. So the earliest stage to get the withdrawal is $1,850. That's the earliest stage that you can withdraw money from the 10K account. $1,850. You can get $750 from Bulenox. That's it, basically. What's the threshold? I don't know. What's the drawdown limit on the 10K account though. But I guess it doesn't matter as long if you're locking in 1100, that should be turning into a static account. So that's basically a good deal, right? We're going higher. I'm gonna grab a drink. I haven't drank my coffee yet, so I'm just gonna do that. And if you would like to, please subscribe, click the like, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna make a coffee. I'll be right back because this is just gonna straight go up to Asia high, and I'm not scalping it. All right, we're here. So we're still heading for that Asia high. It seems like it. Oh yeah, we do. We do, all right. $18K? Well, it definitely seems like it. I kind of agree with that. Very close to that 885 now. You're long from, I'm holding for 18K. Let's go. Well, if I know what you don't says it. Push today. Yeah. Could be. Yeah, we have that high at 85. It does definitely look bullish, but we'll see, I guess. We have how much time? 10, 15 minutes until the macro. Massive sell-off from 18K. All right. It's definitely not far away. So I guess we'll see. But we surely have that Asia high as well. The 5-minute didn't show any sign of, I mean, there's no clear targets on the downside in terms of fair value gaps, only if it wants to break much, much lower. Something, yeah. All right, see you in New York, Ollie. Thank you for being here. Have a good one. No, I'm waiting. I was trying to go short down there, but then I got taken out. So now I want to see if the Asia highs are gonna get taken, or are we gonna see a strong structure shift in this area. Coffee is still hot. So far, this is holding it. 18K. All right. We have an SMT. Oh, we do. All right. That means NQ could be dropping. Careful. Careful with the drops here. A little bit looks like a bullish flag situation on the 1 minute. Let's wait for it, I guess. Yeah, that could happen also. You think so? The 4 hour and the 1 hour. Could be. Could be. Yeah, so we have that high. That's 85 on the micro. I don't know what's it saying on the mini. Also 85. Price got pretty much congested here. Yeah. We'll see what happens here. I mean, we can still sweep some levels down here and then go for those highs, you know. We can go down and sweep some liquidity below 806 as well. That's 30 points down. So definitely. We can definitely go down. Oh, sorry. I was muted. So I checked the chart. I know what you don't. That's awesome. That's what I was saying. And I was saying banks, it could be a bull flag, yeah. And Odane, Apex, the wealth charts, I never ever tried it. I never tried wealth charts ever. So I don't know how that works. Yeah. Or so I have no opinion. I didn't know that they have a sell on wealth charts. All right, is this gonna be going down or what? I want to go below 26, I guess, to pick up some liquidity. Oh, man. All right. Are we going higher? There's one more fair value gap below 806. I'm not sure if it wants to take that before going higher. But you know. Could go for it. That's the 15-minute gap, 807, I think. What's the low there? 805, 806.75. Not too far. Morning, Alex Pay. Alex LP. LPA. Sorry. First TP hit. Nice. There was a possible short entry up there, by the way. Maybe. As I said, the only place for it to go on the downside, well, not sure. Not sure. But if it wants to go higher, we should be breaking that 85 now. Let's see. Getting closer now. Are we gonna go for that 85? Or maybe break that 75 up there? Maybe we could. This should be a squeeze to the 75s, right? Hey, szevasz Gábor! Welcome! Üdvözöllek, rég láttalak! What's up, what's up? Gabor is fellow Hungarian trader from Florida. What's up? Alright, are we gonna go higher here? I feel like we do. Or we could. Because if it wants to go for that 85, well, anything can happen then, I guess. Still trying to figure this out if it wants to go or not. There she goes. 85, Asia high. Are we gonna get it? Trader Monk, hello. Maria, good morning. Let's go. We have more viewers. I would really love to scalp that 85, but it's definitely a little bit dangerous at this level. You gotta be careful. There she goes. There she goes. 85 incoming. It's coming. Yeah, we have the open in a few seconds, so get ready. 85 can be popped. 18k confirmed. We need a strong push to the 885 then. Maria, thank you. I'm good. Yeah, volatility was absolute mental. It was in the past couple of days for sure. Total craziness. So here we go. 85 should be popped any second now. And here comes the pre-market open. Let's see how it goes. 2, 1, and opened up. All right, 85. Here we go. Should have expected that move, I guess. Nvidia up. Let me check. Oh, wow. Yeah. Tesla is going down a little bit, but Nvidia broke up above 100. All right, now that Asia high has been taken, I might gonna be looking for some sort of a displacement here. Viox, hello. Good to see you again. Where have you been, man? From 900. Let's see. Let's see. I mean, taking a sell from that area, that could be good, yeah. Long every dip. Yeah, we could go, I guess. 77.92. I guess it wants to. I guess it wants to, or might want to. Well, we almost got to 900. That's true. Okay, we have a small sweep here. We have a small sweep. Could be just to gain some orders to get to 900. Gotta be careful. Yeah, small pullback before the pump could happen. Something new funded on Bulenox. Well, the rules are super simple. You can do basically a lot of things. Don't copy trade with other prop firms. That's what they say. But basically, the rules are pretty simple. So, pretty straightforward. Lots of things you can do with Bulenox. Gotta aim for safety net plus minimum $1,000 on the 50K. And that's it. You can trade also the news until you have proper risk management, so they do let you to do that. Okay, so far we had a structure shift and a possible short opportunity here. We have relative equal lows down there. But this one can also continue to go lower. What's the low here? 13. 13. Yeah, let's see. I'm not in a short. I'm just saying that could be a good one, maybe. There's no pump. So, yeah. Do you have any TRADEIFY? No, I don't have TRADEIFY accounts right now. Not that I don't like them. I just can't connect them to Quantower, and I don't like to trade on Tradeovate. So that's it. That's the only reason. I mean, I tried Tradeovate, and I was funded with TRADEIFY. I blown up the account, but I don't have an account with them right now. So yeah, 812 or 813 are equal lows. What? What? What the open, high, close of the candle is? Which candle? No, what the open? Yeah. Big down candles. Well, we'll see. We definitely have some liquidity. So yeah, oh yeah, I forgot to say YX. So nothing special with the rules, thank God, with Bulenox. They're not forcing crazy stuff, but I would say careful with flipping. Like if you do 1 or 2 big days with full porting, don't go with flipping the rest of the days for the 10 minimum payout. That's something they don't really like. Otherwise, they're okay. No issue with them. And that's it. You can DCA, you can pretty much, you know, trade every strategy you like. So I think that's a good thing. All right, now let's watch this. Now this was a beautiful short, which I did not participate into. Still look like, yo, it went down. Okay, so I was wondering if it's gonna go down below 806 because there was a small gap. Yeah. So yeah, it's okay. It's okay. So far, there has been no special rule with them about micro scalping. The only thing that they said that they don't like when someone is using robots or algorithms for trading, but no rule about, you know, scalping for a few seconds or something like that. Yeah, it's going. It was a, by the way, I do feel some FOMO. This was a classic trade. Such a classic trade. Look at this. Boom. This was such a classic one. Hey, no problem, YX. Any questions, let me know. The good thing with Bulenox is although they changed some rules, mostly about copy trading and mostly about the flipping. So they say now you can only flip 20% of your trading days, which means for 10 trading days you can flip 2. But they did not specify exactly what flipping is. And what I want to say, and don't tell this to anyone, I did flip 4 days out of 10 last time. And not intentionally, I was just like, I don't know, I guess I just wanted to have some more trading days, and I didn't realize I was already in profit, and I don't know. Anyway, and they did pay me out, so, but anyway. Your day's over. 2 trades, 2 W's. Let's go. Congratulations. Good job. That is awesome. Short from 82. Wow. Wow. That's kind of like a turtle soup situation, right? After the rejection. Congratulations, Joey. Oh, I just got my emails from Take Profit Trader. Nice. The new funded account. Let's go. Satoshi, congratulations. Is day trader? No, that's a good thing, Gregory. That day trader is only one-time payment on evaluation accounts. At least that's what they're doing. By the way, today on day traders, I did good. The day traders account is getting ready for payout. I mean, getting closer. Today managed to make $359, and this is a funded account. So the good thing with day traders is that no monthly payment on the evaluation phase. So that's a good thing. I think they're still down 70%, but the good thing, I just have my new funded accounts with Take Profit Trader, and this Apex account already got deducted, so payment is on the way. This is ICT. Yeah, I don't know about the Venom model, but this here is the YouTube 2022 model here. That's it. This here is YouTube 2022 100%. So yeah, so it wicked up, but it perfectly is good for the I don't know what's the new Venom model, because he comes out with a new model every week. But this is the classic entry here. It won't get any more classic than this one. Also, this was also, I mean, almost the same, but the issue, there was no structure shift. I mean, no, not structure shift, come on. Liquidity sweep. No major liquidity sweep on this level. So that's why it wasn't such a good one. Although it looked like it wants to go down. And actually, if you took a short on this gap, look at that. If you took a short, let me show you. If you took a short, I'm going to zoom this in. So I'm going to focus on this one. There was a fair value gap here. Okay. There was a market structure shift here. Okay, there's a market structure shift. Here's the fair value gap. Let's give it a bit of a different, or okay, so there was the fair value gap. So if you went short in this gap, for example here, you put the stop somewhere at the top right there. 1 to 2 risk to reward, almost. Almost. You see, it was almost fine, but eventually, if you're looking for a 1 to 2, or you just look for partials, it would have been okay. But it was almost good. But the same scenario here, boom. Boom. That's it. It doesn't get any better. Bowser definitely called it. I know. I know. Bowser called it. Everybody, Bowser called it. I know. Yeah. Exactly. This was a good one. Anyway, I liked it. Even this one. So, even this one wasn't such a bad, but the problem is that we were still missing. If you look to the left, there was no major liquidity sweep here on the left. Well, maybe this one, but when you know that you have an Asia high up there, then this setup, is not an A++ setup. Then you can expect that this is going to move higher. So if you jump into this one, you might as well do it with lower risk. But anyway. I know what you don't is pretty sure that this is going to go higher. I don't know. Can we believe him? Of course we can. No, I agree that we can definitely still visit the 1900 and higher. It was a difficult spot anyway. Going lower. Make safe. Make safe. Keep on it. My fellow Hungarian trader friend Gabor is saying, do you want me to call Donnie to not to mess around with the tariffs? Oh my god, we have a real celebrity, a real hero here. Slade. What's up? Oh, you're playing some Call of Duty. Man, I would really love to play some Call of Duty. Listen, we should link up sometimes. If you want someone to go forward and die first, I'm your man. So, I have nobody to play Call of Duty. No, actually, I'm very bad in playing Call of Duty. But the problem is, I mean, I still kind of addicted to PUBG, although PUBG is a piece of shit game, but I still like it. It's a love-hate relationship. Perfect day playing Verdansk and watch Tom. There you go. Let's do it. Yeah, exactly. So we could troll people in Call of Duty. That's what I like to do. I mean, I'm definitely a slow player. I am super slow in the game. Like, it takes me forever to loot and get stuff. And that's why PUBG suits better for me, because it's a much slower paced game than Call of Duty. I can run in Call of Duty. I will try. Man, I'm gonna check out what's for lunch today. What is for lunch? I'm gonna pick up some lunch. Oh wow, look at this. We're going down. There's a bullish order block at 709, and another one. And another one. Oh no. Oh, there should be another one. Where is the other one? 709 and 700 ish on the micro. We might go down for that 709 area. I wonder if it wants to go down. I think it just did, right? Oh, wow. What a drop. This was crazy. Pino Mendez, hey. Yeah. If you're going, I'd like to thank you for being here. Congratulations on the profits. We have Asia low at 662. Are we going down for Asia low? Now that we perfectly picked Asia high, are we going down? Seems like it wants to go down to 700. How about that? It might want to. What is that level? Hold on. What is that level down there? There is one down there at, okay, and 699. I would say 700. Maybe 701. What's the low of that candle down there? The low is, no, not that one, this one. 702. Whoa! Frank Lima. Just subscribe. Thank you for joining the channel. Welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome. Good to see you. Okay, could be having a bounce here. Let's look at this closer. What's the time right now? We still have time. Wetmill saying 630. Oh, I see. I see, Bowser. Okay. Well, for now, but let's see if this area is going to hold above 700. Let's see if this is going to able to hold it. No, I'm not in a trade. I'm just still hoping that I can confidently drop into a scalp. It could be bearish, but I'm not trusting this price action. I mean, we can go all the way up there to, let's see, where is liquidity? I don't know, the 15-minute Still looks bearish, but it could be a nice V-shaped recovery all the way up. All the way up to the 800s maybe. Yeah, seems like it wants to go. There's liquidity on where? On this 1 minute candle, the high at 62. But does it want to go down? I'm not sure. Now comes the big question. Check the Weevo. Oh, it's up there. Yeah. Okay, but opening. Yeah. It could be a recovery. And going up there. It does look like it. There is liquidity. There is liquidity at 803. 803.50 on the micro and 803 on the mini. Does look like it wants to go up there, and there's a gap on balance price at 87. I don't know. For now, it does look like a recovery. I'm not sure. It seemed like it might want to go up there, but it didn't. At least not into that gap. I don't know. Also, the spreads are a little bit wider now. Well, we are at the middle, at midnight level. So I guess that's it. We'll see if it's gonna do a dumpage from here or a spike up there. We'll see. Feels kind of weak here. Like, I don't know if it wants to do a bull flag situation. I guess we have to wait this out. Because I was thinking to maybe try to search for or look for another level, take some profit. And here comes 803. Yeah. Crazy, 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 crazy. I guess shoulda, woulda, coulda, right? Rendben, rendben, Gábor. Medencepucolás. De jó, hogy van medencétek. Igen, tegnap őrület volt. Köszi, hogy beugrottál, meg jó pihenést. Isten áldjon. Alright, let's see. How far are we going? Man, I really wanted to scalp this one. I was looking for the 803 on the top of this. I wasn't sure when this one was struggling here. Man. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, right? But I think I will still try to search for a possible short opportunity later. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. This was a bit tricky. This was a beautiful entry. This was a lower probability, but nicely went down. Nicely. Can still continue higher on this, I guess. Also looks like gold wants to go higher. All right, gold popping higher. Gold pop higher. Nice. Possible long signal on gold. It seems like it wants to go. And here it goes, NQ going a little bit higher. I wish I had that trade. I feel a bit of a FOMO for sure. But anyway, I'm gonna call it here, everybody. I'm gonna call it here. I'm gonna pick up some lunch. And this is it. I'm gonna be back for the New York session. I don't want to force it. Missed out this one. I'm already feeling the FOMO. And it's a good thing I haven't jumped into a scalp here. So take orders. Oh, nice. Yeah, take note and leave. Yeah, I have to. So thank you everybody for watching. I think I'm gonna leave it at that. We had some good talk here, and obviously I missed this trade. I had a loss earlier, so it was not the best one for me, but overall good. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back for the New York session, and you know, as always, if you would like to support, please check out the code TomSabo. It works on all of these prop firms, gives you the best available discount for new accounts reset. MyFundedFutures 5 to 25% discount right now, 25% off on Starter Plus accounts. DAYTRADERS still has the no fee promo. Check them out, and the other ones are good as well. Check out Funded Futures Network. Check out Apex and Bulenox too. All right, thank you so much for watching, and God bless you all. I'll be back in New York Open. Okay, cheers everyone.